Here's a new 2023 Volvo XC60. It is designed for real people living real lives, namely you. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, AM/FM satellite radio, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, memory exterior door mirror settings, and LED low and high beam headlights. Safety first, it's how Volvo rolls. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or visit us today. We're conveniently located at 4455 South College Avenue in Fort Collins, Colorado, or online anytime at pedersentoyota.com.